If you're like me and you have a passion for making things, being limited by time, space and money can be really frustrating. But all of that is about to change now thanks to 3D printing. I recently bought the Bambu Lab A1 Mini because I've heard it's amazing for people looking to get into 3D printing, and I can use this to finally restore my passion for creating things. So in this video, I'm going to start off with unpacking and setting up the A1 Mini, then I'll show you exactly how easy it is to get started with making your own things. So now that the printer is set up, you can see how nicely it fits on my desk, and that's another reason I decided to go for this printer, because I had certain dimensions I had to work with, and this one fits very nicely on my desk, and I'm happy with it. So now the next thing we need to do is find something to print. And one of the things that came to my mind is a bucket or container of some sort to hold the filament that comes out of the printer when it is getting ready to print something, because I don't like it when it gets pushed onto my desk while I'm working. So one place that came to my mind is Printables. Printables is a website that has hundreds of different 3D models that people have uploaded on there, and you can just pick anyone that you like and download them for free. All you need to do is type in what you're looking for. So in this case, I'm looking for a bucket for my 3D printer, and then all you need to do is go on the download button and it will download right to your computer. The next thing we need to do after that is download what we call a slicer. So what I learned is a slicer is a platform that basically allows you to get ready to 3D print something. It allows the printer to know exactly what it needs to print. So Bambu Lab has its own one. I just went on the website, I went on the software, and I downloaded downloaded it for my Mac, and there's an option for Windows as well. So once we have the slicer open, all we need to do is open the file that we downloaded from Printables and just get it in there. And all then we need to do is just change the orientation depending on how we want it to print. And once that's done, it's all pretty much good to go. And it's as easy as that. What's great to know is that you can start printing stuff without having any design skills. You can find so many different things on Printables, and chances are there is someone out there who has made the thing that you're looking to print. But if you do want to take it a step further, then 3D modeling might be a good place to get started with. And that's something I've done because I wanted to make custom parts, and I want to kind of fuse this with electronics because that just makes the projects a lot more interesting. So I got started with Autodesk Fusion 360. I just went on YouTube and I found a random course that would allow me to just get started. And with very little design skills, I was able to print this traffic light head. And this is a design that I learned from a while ago back at school, and I thought I wanted to make it for myself again. So I just got my calipers out and I measured the LEDs for the traffic light, and with that I was able to just make this very nice traffic light head. So this is just an example that with actually very minimal design skills, you can actually make pretty decent stuff. So I hope this video gave you an insight as to how easy it is to start making things. And you know what the best part is? Your only limitation is your imagination, because you can make pretty much anything. So if you want to get rid of all of those limitations with time, money and space, then Bambu Lab is a really great place to start your 3D printing journey. Non-sponsored, they do have a sale going on their website, so you might want to pick one up if you are interested, but even if the price does go back up, the normal price is still very much affordable. Over time, you will pick up on skills that will not only allow you to get better at 3D modeling, but also make a lot more complex projects, and this is exactly what I intend to do and mix some electronics in with it. And any cool stuff that I do make, I would love to share on this channel. And if you are interested in getting to know how I am doing that, you can check this out over here, and I'll see you over there. But until then, I thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.